This is gonna be really awkward. I don't do videos well. So I got my fursuit from HeckGeck. They are just a dream to work for, or work with, not work for. See, already awkward. The communication is top notch. Like, holy crap. You always hear about people be like, oh, I haven't heard anything in ages. And by the way, I have another partial from For the Win, and that's questionable. But this is about HeckGeck. HeckGeck, great. Heck is heck. Oh my god. I'm like internally freaking out, but I feel calm-ish. Bailey, Bailey, Bailey. Bailey, Bailey, Bailey. My dog's off to the side, and she's like wondering what the heck all this is. Bailey, Bailey. Come here. Come here. See? Doggo. Doggo. Okay. Be gone. Chen, stop eating plastic. Stuff. That's the head. No touching the head. Always last on these things. Alright. Das ist das. Ah! Ah! The sandals. I have sandals and shoes. Here's the sandals. Sandals are cute. Yeah. And then it's Digi, so padding. Look at Mr. Sunglasses Kitty. He's fucking dope. I have a thing for scents, and your house must smell good because these things smell good. And then bandana, freaking awesome. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna put that on now. Oh, there's all my magneties. Yeah. So, yeah, lots of magnets. Those are for the earrings. These are prop bits. That's an awesome freaking candy gore badge. Ah! Oh my god, I lost stuff already. Alright. Tongues. And it comes with eyelids. Woohoo! Oh dear lord. My beautiful baby. Stay there. Dear lord. That's a lot of fur. That's a lot of fur. Oh, I'm so glad I got the brushes recently. I did not prepare very well. Urgh. Oh my god, bag. So much class. Oh lordy, troubles. He's a good brush, but I have brushes. Woo-woo! And it needs to cool off because it's like over 100 degrees right now. And then the dope ass shoes. I know these are zippers. Where? I'll have to find out later. Bailey! Don't eat my fluff! Oh my god, big stubber! Alright. Yeah, what's that, Bailey? What's that, Bailey? Oh. Sorry, Chen. I bet. Yeah. Who's my sweetie? Hey, do you mind? Do you mind? Oh my God, baby. Baby. Oh, look at that. What's that? What's that? Ooh, pause. Ooh, soft. Ooh, soft. Ooh. Oh, soft. I'm gonna have to get my kids down here at some point. Have them try that on. Just don't eat it. Oh, pretty kitty. Pretty kitty. So pretty. Oh, where's the green? Where's the green? Bailey, your wet nose is getting all over things. That's gross. There's the green. Somewhere. Aha, something like that. Great. I'll figure it out. Oh my God, the spacing. My husband's gonna be so jelly. Oh my God. See? I don't know if you can hear me, but holy shit! This is amazing! Bailey, you can't get in this one. You can't get in this one. Bailey. You can't get in this one, baby. You can't get in this one. Oh my God. That's so cool. That is so cool. Bailey, down. I love you, baby. Oh. Hi. Yes, it's me. Yes, it's me. I love you.